First, peel and cut the bananas in half. Then, we sear the banana on a non-stick pan without any oil. Use medium fire and sear the banana 3 minutes each side. For every 100 grams of cooked banana, we add 10 grams of espresso. Mix and mash well with a fork. When it's done, put it into a container and you can store this at the refrigerator up to 3 days. For this espresso banana milkshake, blend together 100 grams of the banana jams, 150 grams of fresh milk, and 50 grams of ice cube. Whip in 75 grams of egg white and 15 grams of sugar together until soft thick. Then add 100 grams of banana jam and mix well. Add 30 grams of shifted rice flour. Use spatula to fold in the rice flour until everything combines. Use air fryer to make this cake. The temperature set at 165 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once the cakes are done, leave it open for 5 minutes so that the cakes aren't gonna sink and shrink that fast.